Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed. We have a good time on this channel. In today's video, as you've seen by the title, we're going to talk about how to look pretty, polished, and clean, fresh on a daily basis, aka how to look put together on a daily. Now, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I have made different versions of this video on my channel before. I'm going to have those links below. I highly recommend that you check them out. I like to make kind of videos because I am a busy girl. I have a lot of things going on in my life, and sometimes I don't have the time to do the regular things that I would do to look good on a daily, especially when I have to rush out every single day, and that's usually my life. And trust me when I say this, because I struggle with this every day. I work a hybrid 4+1, 4 days of being in the office and 1 day from home. So knowing fully well that I have just a few minutes in the morning to get ready and get out, but look good, look presentable, smell nice, have good hair, teeth, good outfit, everything. And there are a couple of things that have made my life easier, things that I've had to master to make sure that I look good, smell good, look pretty on a daily when I step out, right? Now, the first thing I recommend to you guys that has helped me so much, that literally saved my life, is learning how to use headbands and clips. Particularly, I'm speaking about clock clips because those are the ones I know how to use and I've been using regularly. Has helped me so much, saved my life literally. I don't really have the time every single day to do my lace, but I still wear frontals. I disguise the lace with headbands, and there are different types. Personally, I go for plain ones. They could be colored, but they're not bedazzled or they don't have anything on them. I do have one that has pearls on it, but it's just one. Ideally, I would recommend plain, simple headbands and clock clip. Look, it takes 2 seconds to wrap that and put in a clock clip and you're out the door. Clock clips have been saving my girls' lives. I know it's been so popular, especially on TikTok. People have been using clock clips to do wonders. I am in with the trend because I personally use it and I know how it transforms my wigs, right? So I will definitely recommend you learn how to use clock clips and headbands on your hair, and trust me, that would save you a ton. You'd always look put together. Your hair would always be done even when you don't try. Let me introduce you to today's sponsor, Vooglam. This is an eyewear brand that is super affordable, but then they have different styles. You could also order them normal and plain and with prescription as well.
Vooglam creates trendy and reliable eyewear by closely tracking fashion trends and understanding their customers' desires. They have thousands of fashionable styles and diverse glass options at affordable prices. Vooglam is definitely your one-stop shop for everything accessories, ranging from eyeglasses to sunglasses, then accessories of different kinds, also accessories for your glasses as well. They have different types of lenses. If you don't need a prescription lens, you can get the blue light blockers or the photochromic lens or progressive lens. If your eyes hurt when you read at night or during the day or when you look at screen, you definitely need a reading glass or blue light blocker lenses. There's also the option for you to get the frames only. You don't necessarily have to get the frames with the lens. Also, if you're worried about the glasses not fitting you, you have the option of uploading a picture from your camera roll and fit the glasses right onto the pictures. You will have a visual on how the glasses would look on you.
I'm going to show you a few that I currently have and I love so much. By the way, when you get it, this is how it comes packaged really nicely. Definitely travel friendly. This is the first one. This looks really good. This is the perfect everyday glasses. This is so cute. You could wear this even without makeup. Imagine having your hair in a clock clip or just a simple wig as I have on right now. With what I have on right now, basics, jewelry, jeans, some slides, nice purse, and you're out. You look good, okay? This is the first one.
This one comes in different colors, and I just thought it would be cool for me to show you other colors that comes with the glasses that I have. This one is so beautiful. You guys saw how it looked on me. The other colors are also so stunning. I picked the neutral color, but every other color in this particular range, in this particular style, is stunning. It is beautiful. And again, if you want to know how it fits on you, upload a picture of yourself. That's how I did it for mine, just to see how it would fit. Although I was a little bit skeptical, but at least I had assurance that it looked good on my picture, so most probably it would look good on me. So I would 100% recommend that when you're trying out these glasses, when you're looking for the one that you want, if you're unsure, put a picture of yourself and it will definitely do the magic for you.
They're actually really good quality as well. I could feel how sturdy they are. The second one is this one. It looks very different from what I would normally. Oh, this is so cute. You guys, and I love the detailing. Some gold stuff by the side. Oh my god, I really love this so much. This is definitely out of my comfort zone. Even when I was picking it up, because I picked this myself, right? When I was picking it, I was like, this is definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's beautiful. It is stunning. You guys can see how beautiful this is. And it gives everyday vibe as well. I could wear this to the office. I could wear this to run errands. I could wear this just on a day that I didn't do too much with my hair and my makeup, but you know what? I wanted to look like I did.
Again, showing you other colors within this style that I think you would absolutely love. Now that I've seen the white, baby, I want the white. Okay, the white looks so beautiful. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I remember this one, and this is one that I've been really excited to receive. Yes. Oh my god, you see this, right? You see this, don't you? I really love this. Oh my god, the green. And I was actually skeptical on how this would fit my face, and this is really cute. Like, I really like this. Oh my god, this is my favorite. I'm about to abuse these.
This one is definitely my favorite from this batch, and I am eyeing the tortoise one because that's giving me.
I've worn this yesterday to the office. Oh, I know how this looks on me because I got a lot of compliments yesterday. I posted on Snapchat and everyone kept messaging me, asking me where I got these glasses from. It's so cute. I love the gradient purple here. It is everything. Okay, this is just it. This is it. I feel like leaving it on, but obviously because I'm using light, it's going to reflect.
This has to be my second favorite from this batch because of the cat eye look. Like, it just changes my face frame or my face shape, makes me look mysterious, and that's why I really love it. This comes in just one color and I absolutely love the color. The purple gradient is amazing. It is beautiful. Chef's kiss. Use my code Lucy15 to grab this cat eye goddess.
And they come with a cleaning cloth as well. This is so good because I use this for my camera lens. I also use this for my phone lens. Everything I use these for because they're so essential for your lenses. I'm going to have the links in the shop box below. I think I also have a discount code for you guys. Highly recommend that you check them out. They're already affordable. With the discount code is a steal. Okay, check them out. Second thing on my list is jewelry. I've spoken about jewelry also on this channel, and I just want to emphasize how important jewelry is. I personally invest in my jewelry and accessories because I wear the same jewelry every single day. It doesn't matter if I'm going to the office or I'm running errands or I'm filming a video, I'm going out with my friends, a night out. I wear the same jewelry in rotation, so I have to have good quality jewelry. I personally have my necklace, which is actual real gold, and the pendant as well is real gold. I don't switch this out and I don't take this out unless I'm changing my earrings, and these earrings are not real gold but they're stainless still. I like to invest in really good earrings because also my ear does not like something that's cheap. I'll start reacting to it. My watch is from Gucci. This one is the Hermes Click H, and I have the Tory Burch bracelet. I also have another Hermes Click H in black, and then I have two wristwatches. One other one is from Tory Burch, and then the other one is from Paul Valentine. Then I have another one from Fossil. And I like to invest in jewelry and accessories because they make your outfit. Okay, you cannot be walking around with less time to actually put in the effort on your outfit, but then also have tarnished jewelry. You know that's not nice. Having discolored jewelry, mismatched jewelry, that is not cute. You guys, it's not cute. Next thing I'll recommend for you to always look clean, pretty, put together is to wear neutral colors and essentials. Whenever you feel like you don't have the strength to put in the effort, just go with neutral colors and essentials. Exactly like what I'm wearing right now. This is a basic from Zara, but with my accessories, my jewelry, my hair, just forget about the makeup. Imagine me with jeans, slides, and a purse, like I said earlier, with these glasses. I look put together. I look pretty. Even without makeup and everything, I would look pretty. Definitely recommend that you invest in good essentials, good neutral colored essentials, different styles. Like I said, Zara has really good ones. Amazon also has really good ones. Definitely check them out. Shein has really good ones, inexpensive ones as well. I highly recommend. I always say it on this channel and to anyone who cares to listen, the reason why you might not be able to find something in your wardrobe to wear is because you don't have enough essentials, you don't have enough basics and neutral colored clothing. Once you have really good basics, it'll be easy for you to pair things up. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. It's usually easy peasy. Next thing I recommend is making sure that your skin is always moisturized and oiled up. Look, walking around with dry skin, whether it's your elbows, your hands, your legs, your body, just really tells people that you don't care, you didn't put in any effort. Like, it's visible. They don't even need to look at your outfit or anything else or smell you. They just know that you didn't try today. You can't be walking around looking ashy. Whether you don't have makeup on or you don't have the right outfit on, one thing people would always notice is how clean and moisturized your skin is, and also how you smell. So you need to put in the effort to at least moisturize your skin. Make sure that you're oiled up and your elbows are perfectly moisturized. Your legs, your hands are perfectly moisturized. If you're not moisturized, you automatically look crusty and dusty, and you don't want to look like that. Last thing on my list, which is highly essential, and I feel like I'm shouting at you guys when I talk about this because I've spoken about it a lot of times, is to have fresh and clean perfumes. It doesn't have to be expensive. I'm gonna recommend inexpensive fragrances that I'm obsessed with. Fresh, clean perfumes that are my go-to, especially for this summer. I highly recommend that you look into these. The first one is this one from Zara. It is their Secret Infusion. This is very cheap. I don't even think they have this in a big bottle, but this is really good. When I tell you, I have this like 5 in this apartment because obviously decided their summer sales. I restocked on these yesterday. Like I got a few new ones. This is one of the new ones I got that I just put in my collection, but the rest are everywhere. One is in my work bag, the other one is in my everyday errand bag, and I have one in my bedroom. And this one, I love this so much. This is just a clean, girly, subtle, soft babe. Anything you do, have this. Just have this Secret Infusion. Let your head register it. It's called Secret Infusion. Next recommendation are these ones. This is from M. Micallef. It's called their Pure Extreme. I have the normal one and I have the Nectar. Look at how much I have used this bad boy. Look at the dent I have put in this. I got this from the brand back in December and I've used the heck out of this. They just sent me latest PR, I think it was a week or 2 weeks ago, and they included this, and look at what I've done to it. That's how good it is. I don't know about any other fresh scent in this life, even from this list I'm giving you right now. You see this one? I will always have this. I will always recommend this. This is, oh Jesus Christ. Every time I spray this, I want to hug somebody. I don't care whether it's a man, a woman, a child. I just want to hug somebody. Get this, okay? The last one I'm going to recommend to you guys is one that I feel like you already know, but I'm going to put you on if you don't. This is Givenchy L'Interdit, the original version. I have the Rouge and it's beautiful, but it's not a first scent. That's a 9-time sexy, dark fragrance. This one is a girly girl, flirty girl. This is a bit sweeter than any of these ones that I've just mentioned, but I really love this fragrance. Oh, the ultimate embracing my femininity kind of fragrance. Perfect for the summer, perfect for when you want to just spray something and get out. You will always feel clean, pretty, fresh. Emphasis on clean. Now that's pretty much everything that I have for you guys in this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm gonna have the links to the glasses that I got in the description box below. Don't forget to check Vooglam out. Follow me on my TikTok and Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, and you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, because we're about to go in. Hey.